I'm Melissa from LAFCU. Thank you for being here with me today for another Christmas craft. We're excited to have you here and we're excited to make a Christmas tree today. So let's talk about what supplies you will need in order to make our Christmas tree craft. First, we will need some scissors. Make sure to be very careful with these. We also need some glue. We need a green crayon, color pencil, or even a marker. We need some construction paper, and you can use any color that you choose. We need some of these little small pom-poms, and we need a paper plate. And the first step in creating our Christmas tree is to cut our paper plate into triangles, and we need 3. So if you need to, have an adult help you cut your paper plate into 3 triangles, just like this. That is the first step. The next step is to take your crayon or your marker and to color each of your 3 pieces of your paper plate green, like a Christmas tree. Now that we have colored our pieces of paper plate green, we are going to take our glue and we are going to glue our 3 pieces of plate together, one on top of another, like this, to make our tree. Next, we are going to take our construction paper, any color you would like, and our scissors, and we are going to cut out a star for the top of our tree. The last step in making our Christmas tree craft is to glue on our star and our ornaments. So you can see here, I glued my star at the top of my tree, and I used the red pom-poms with glue, and I glued them on for the ornaments. So that is it for today's Christmas craft. We made a beautiful Christmas tree. Thank you for joining me. Bye.